Hey guys, Joel Snellgrove back with some more on the 701. As you can see, I have not even cleaned it since my last ride, where I knocked in the radiator and the fan is not working. So I have one on order, but of course it's back ordered. In the meantime, I do have a new light LED, very heavy compared to stock. We'll see how I like it. $60 off eBay. The wiring was a little weird. You had to add this little extension to change over the wires to fit the bike. And anyway, after some trial and error, that's what I got. It works. I also have from Fuel Dongles the ABS switch. So I'm going to install that somewhere so that I can quickly disable the rear ABS, and in doing so disable the traction control and the ABS, and still have my speedometer. Thanks. When you're riding at any speed, you just flip that down. ABS, traction control are off. Unfortunately, you still do have to toggle your ignition switch to turn it back on, and you cannot do that on the fly.